Welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to upgrade our Flutter to Google Play Store. So just follow along with me. Go to your terminal. My terminal is already open. So I'll just type Flutter clean. While it's cleaning, I've already arranged this is how the code look like. As before, I've already uploaded app to Google Play. I just want to update it. It is 1.0.1, so I'm going to change this one into 1, and then the number I'm going to put 2. So from here I'll just copy it. So don't worry, I'll put this one down below. So if each time I want to update it, the next time then I'll change this one into 2, I'll put this one into 3. When I want to update it again, I'll change it into 3, I'll put it into 4. So that is how it works. So I'm just gonna copy and go to my app, and then I just you're gonna copy it there. Sometimes that is it. I'm gonna press enter. So while it's doing its job, so let me go to Google Play, production, manage, create release. So everything is, it is new release that I'm creating, new release to production. So we go to write what happened. New quote added to this release. So that's it, and let us wait. It is still updating. Let's wait. It's running. So that's how you update Flutter app. Change the version from your Android Studio to Google Play Store. So it is finished. So let's go to our app. I'm using Mac. Those of you on Windows, go to Build, App, go to Output, then Release, Review in Finder. This is it. So this one, I'm not gonna drag. Direct. Uploading. Processing. Yeah, upload successful. You can see Android app bundle version code. It is 2. The one that I show you guys from here, this is the 2. So now I will click save, and review, roll to production. Bam, everything is finished. So you see my Android version code, just 2 seconds, version code 2, blah blah blah. So this is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button before you leave for more update of video like this. Until then, have a good day. See you.